Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by TaxBuddy.com. So this is a reminder. Today is the 31st July and the last date to file your income tax return. So in case if you have not done, so please do it so by today. The last date may not be extended. So if you need any help, you can always contact TaxBuddy. The link is given in the description. So coming back to our markets, so there is nothing much change between Friday night and now. GIFT Nifty indicating Nifty future opening around 19,800, which is about 60-70 point higher. So that indicates, the Bank Nifty is likely to open about 200 point higher. It will be interesting to see because on Friday night, the ADRs, Indian ADRs, only ICICI Bank ADR was slightly higher, whereas HDFC Bank ADR and Infosys ADR both were down. So, sometimes, the GIFT Nifty just follow the global cues. And I always say, mostly the GIFT Nifty will be following the Asia Pacific ex Japan index. So, whereas the US ADRs will follow the closely the individual stocks of India. So we need to see whether there is going to be any improvement in these stocks. And last Friday, though broader markets was good, it was only the index heavyweight like TCS, Infosys, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, so that fell, that dragged the market down. Now the Bank Nifty is hugely underperforming. This 70-point gap up. So as I always say, like 40-50 point gap up is okay, but anything beyond that, mostly the gap ups will be sold into, and the same way the gap downs will also be bought into. So today, somehow I feel that this 60-70 point gap up is slightly higher. Who knows? There may be one sell off. But again, as I always say, for the last 4 months, the trend is up and the trend is firmly up. And any fall of 80 to 100 point intraday and 250 to 300 point positionally is considered to be a buying opportunity. And as I stated in my yesterday's video, like the box theory seems to be working very well. Now we are in the box 19,500 to 20,000. And Nifty is likely to open, I'm talking about the Nifty spot, likely to open around 19,750, which is exactly in between. So this is a like neutral range. So the markets can swing either way. But anyway, if the market has to go up, so HDFC Bank has to move. So HDFC Bank has been very volatile, and so I think HDFC Bank has lost the highest market cap last week. I think last week it was, the maximum fall in Nifty came only from two stocks. One is ITC, the other one is HDFC Bank. So ITC is understandable because it shot up from 200 to 500. So, it's falling by 50 point is not a big deal. But HDFC Bank falling, for the last 2 to 3 years, it has been underperforming. And still it is just struggling around 1,700. So that is a little bit disturbing for bulls. So HDFC Bank will have to be in focus today. And however, today is the month end. So tomorrow the monthly auto sales data will come. So therefore, auto stocks may come under focus today. And particularly, Maruti will be under focus. Maruti, it is trading closer to all-time high. And it is actually just consolidating around 10,000. So it'll be interesting to see whether the 10,000 will be crossed once again. So other than that, today is Monday. Most of the things I covered already yesterday in the Dalal Street Week Ahead program. So there's nothing much to discuss. And, 20,000 is a resistance, a good resistance. Even the 20,000 calls were trading around 10 rupees on weekly options. And monthly options, of course, it has a very good premium. And, as I said, for this week, 19,500 to 20,000 is the range. So let us see how it's going to play out. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio podcast. And tomorrow we will be live. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.